Hey guys, welcome to the weekly video of Annoyed Atheist. So, with a crappy entry, let's begin.
Who's that Pokemon?
So, today we will take a look at the world's most fastest doctor, who can let go of your pain in, well, not in an hour, not in 10 minutes, but in 5 minutes, without taking any money. Well, at least not directly. We're going to talk about a faith healer who is probably the most stupid ever. So, without wasting time, let's begin.
Somebody ఎవరో ఒక లేడీకి కిడ్నీలో ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ చూస్తున్నా somebody లేడీ ఎవరు కిడ్నీలో ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ చూస్తున్నా ఎవరది
I can translate, but it looks like he's asking the crowd for kidney infections, and he's asking like it's some kind of homework. And also I've watched a ton of videos in which they're only treating kidney diseases. Why do they never treat a disease that we can see externally?
కిడ్నీలో ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది బ్లామ్ దే ఇంతకుముందు నెంబర్ బేస్ నోలో రావాలి 9 ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పింది 710 లాకి మా బామా చియా తెరా దశంద బ్రాండ్ షంది ఏయ్ తాకుతున్నాడు దేవుని యొక్క దూత చూడండి అక్కడ చూడండి కెమెరా తిప్పు కోష్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది ఇష్.
Sometimes I wonder, why do these guys do this whoosh thingy? I mean, you can simply say it without some effects. Please, even Harry Potter doesn't do that in a magical world. Apart from it, why is this woman dancing? I mean, she's just getting her kidney healed magically. It's not like he's performing exorcism on her or something. But don't worry, you will also see an exorcism in this video.
చప్పట్లు కొట్టండి. ఇప్పుడు దేవుని ఏంజిల్ చూస్తున్నా స్వస్థత అవుతుంది. నీ కిడ్నీస్ వేడెక్కుతున్నాయి. పొత్తి కడుపులో కూడా నొప్పి వస్తుంది. రాత్రి 9:30 నుంచి 10 గంటల వరకు నొప్పి చూసిన షబాష్ in the name of Jesus.
The ninja technique of how to touch some girl and beat anyone, do something. Well, just add in the name of Jesus and bingo. Why did you do that?
In the name of Jesus. It's all in the name of Jesus, honey.
Fatality.
Remember, God gave us free will.
Hare kama sush ush 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 ush.
If you just remove the background noise, then you will see a whole porn audio. Well, let's add some effects and see. This guy literally has the talent to be the perfect male porn star.
Hare kama sush ush 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 ush. Yes yes glory release అవుతుంది. ఏంజెల్ తాకుతున్నాడు. ఓ నీ స్టమక్ కదులుతుంది. కెమెరా తీసుకో. చూడండి ఇక్కడ.
These kinds of sounds are made when a gay guy is being fucked by a 7-inch penis. Honestly. You know what? Even this is a pretty cute close-up at her stomach. I still can see her kidney healing. Probably you should have installed an MRI machine or something.
ఏదో నాకు కనబడుతుంది 0.7 ఏదో కనబడుతుంది కరెక్టా?
His name is John C.
Okay guys, enough with the healing. Now we'll see some exorcism. Let's go.
Go. Go. Get out. In the name of.
So, if devil can get away with this trick, well, why not try it somewhere else? Hey Sanjana, get out from this house. Okay guys, now let's see one more exorcism.
प्रार्थना करे तो दुष्टात्मा इनके द्वारा बोल रही थी, दुष्टात्मा इनके द्वारा कह रही थी कि 15 साल से दुष्टात्मा इनको उनके परिवार को सता है.
So apparently this guy is being troubled by a snake spirit for 15 years. I wonder why he's not dead. I mean, he should be dead. So apparently, you puked the evil snake spirit out. I mean seriously, just look at his mouth. It's like he's about to puke his yesterday dinner. This guy is actually pretty brave. I mean seriously, let's imagine you're going somewhere and this guy pops out. I don't know about you, but I won't stand and shake him off instead of running.
कितने साल से? 15 साल से. क्या 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 इस शरीर के साथ? बहुत कुछ. क्या 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 पूरा घर मेरी मुट्ठी में है. इसके घर
Hey guys, well thanks for watching the weekly video and I'll see you next week. Bye. And also just if you want a topic or something for the next video, be sure to write a comment.